Clearing iPhone cache. How to free up storage and improve performance. As you use your iPhone, the cache inevitably grows larger over time. These are downloaded files and resources intended to make apps and websites run smoother, but they can eventually consume a significant amount of storage. To check the size of your cache, navigate to the Settings app, tap on General, and then select iPhone Storage. At the very bottom of this list, you will find System Data, which includes caches, logs, and other resources currently in use. This category can sometimes balloon to over 25 gigabytes, making it essential to clear it out periodically. One of the most effective ways to reduce this data is by clearing your web browser cache. For Safari users, go to Settings, select Safari, tap on Advanced at the bottom, and then choose Website Data. You can see the total amount of cache files and choose to remove all website data. If you prefer Google Chrome, open the Chrome app, tap the three dots, select History, and then Delete Browsing Data. Ensure the time range is set to all time and that cached images and files are selected before confirming the deletion. Certain third-party apps like TikTok or CapCut can also become incredibly large due to cache data. To reclaim this space without losing your personal information, use the Offload app feature found in the iPhone storage settings. Select the specific app, tap Offload app, and then immediately tap Reinstall app. This process deletes the temporary cache files while keeping the app's core data intact. This method can significantly reduce an app's footprint, sometimes shrinking it from over 1 gigabyte to just a few hundred megabytes. Finally, to clear out the remaining system logs and temporary files that the manual methods might miss, perform a force restart on your iPhone. This is done by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. This hard restart refreshes the system and clears out residual cache files that fluctuate within the system data category. Regularly performing these steps will keep your iPhone running efficiently and prevent storage full errors.